Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. And first of all, just open Ollama.com. So today I'm going to teach you how to install and how to use Ollama. And Ollama, it's actually AI that you can install and run from your own computer. Without wasting any time, just click on download, and in here you are going to find installation process for all of three major distributions. So for macOS, for Linux, and for Windows. I'm going to use for Linux. I'm going to copy this command and I'm going to open my terminal. So if you are using Windows, for example, just follow that procedure. Okay, I'm going to paste this command and I'm going to install it. Alright, now I'm going to wait until Ollama is installed on my machine. Alright, Ollama is installed on my machine, but there are two things that you should take into account. So first we have API active on port 11434 and no NVIDIA or AMD GPU detected. Well, actually this is false, because on my machine I have NVIDIA graphics card, except my graphics card is too old, it doesn't support CUDA technology. So Ollama is going to use only CPU on my machine. Now, in order to check that everything is up and running, type Ollama, and you are going to see that Ollama is running on my machine. What I want to show you of these commands. First of all, I'm going to type Ollama list, and you can see that no model is installed on my machine. We can also copy model, remove model. We can type help to get this list of commands. If we are using model registry, we can push and pull. We can stop running model. We are going to use this command run in order to run a model that we are going to download. We could also show information about model. We can create model from model file, but this is subject for some other episode. And we can serve Ollama or start Ollama if it's not started. So now, first question, what actually is model? You could understand it as an instance of artificial intelligence, or actual artificial intelligence that is running on your Ollama platform. Take any definition that you like actually. When we installed Ollama on my machine, with it I have actually prepared environment that can be used in order to run models, or basically to run artificial intelligence, however you like. Now open this Ollama.com website once again, and instead of download, go to GitHub. In here you can find additional information about Ollama, but what I'm interested in is this list of models. Now, in the first column you are going to find model name. This second column is interesting. It shows a number of parameters in billions. So this is 1 billion parameters, 4 billion parameters, 12, and so on. For example, this Llama 4 with 400 billion parameters, it's extremely serious thing. And this Llama 3.3 with 70 billion parameters, it's also very serious, but not even close to this one. And what would be this Gemma 3 with 1 billion parameters? It's basically total moron. And you can actually use it if you have some really old machine like I do, or you are just playing around with it. And why would you do something like this? Because it's really light on resources. For example, this Gemma 3 is going to take only 815 megabytes of hard drive, while Gemma 3 with 4 billions of parameters is going to take 3.3 gigabytes of memory. Plus, stronger model you are using is going to take a lot more of RAM memory and a lot more of processing power. And finally, how to run model. So I'm going to take this command, Ollama run Gemma 3 column 1b. That means Gemma 3 with 1 billion of parameters, and I'm going to copy it into my terminal. So if I don't have, as I don't have this model installed, this command is going to install it. So I'm just going to press enter right now and wait for it. Alright, when you get these three arrows, that means that you are talking with artificial intelligence. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type / and question mark in order to get command list. We can do all sorts of things in here. We can set session variable, we can show model information and so on. And actually we are going to use only one command in here, this command by, to exit from our model. So don't expect much from this artificial intelligence because it has only 1 billion parameters. So I'm just going to type hey. Okay, I'm going to try something to teach it. All right, it gets smart. You can play around if you wish. I'm just going to type by to exit from it. And now if I type Ollama list, you see I'm going to get this Gemma 3.1b in this list. And now I'm going to teach you how to use that API that we have been talking about. Okay, I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code with Python file, and first I'm going to import Ollama, not my Ollama, Ollama. And in order to install this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to type pip install Ollama -- break. Okay, I already have this installed. All right, now I'm going to create client from Ollama.client. All right, so now I'm going to define a model. We have to provide a name of this model, so it's Gemma 3:1b. Now prompt. This is actual message that we are going to send to Ollama through API. I'm going to send like, hey, what is your name? Like this. And we are going to create response. Response is going to be we are going to get response from client. We are going to generate it, and we are going to provide model from model and prompt. All right, and I'm just going to print that response out. Print, I'm going to format it. Response is column response dot response. All right, and now I'm just going to run this file. Response is, hi there, I'm Gemma, a large language model created by Gemma team at Google DeepMind. Alright guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. In future episodes we are going to dive deep into this artificial intelligence. So please like, subscribe, and see you later.